You let you down, you little hyper shit.
Yeah, we finally got her to use the dog door, so yeah, she's progressing. So here's my mom.
Hi.
We're all here at the house making dinner. So yeah, peace.